If your Fiverr account has been disabled and you're not sure what to do next, don't panic. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate a disabled Fiverr account. If your Fiverr account suddenly gets disabled, it can happen for several reasons. Fiverr may disable accounts due to policy violations, unusual login activity, payment or verification issues, using multiple accounts, or breaking marketplace rules without realizing it. When this happens, you usually lose access to your account and cannot place orders or withdraw money. First, open the Fiverr website and log in if you're able to. Once you're on Fiverr, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Help and Support. This will take you to the Fiverr Help Center. Inside the Help Center, scroll down and find the section called Account Settings and Security. Click on it and then choose Accessing My Account. This section covers issues related to login problems, restricted access, and disabled accounts. Now scroll down and look for the option related to a disabled account. When you open it, Fiverr will show you important information such as common causes of account disablement, helpful notes, and possible guidance. Take your time to read this carefully, because this information explains why accounts are usually disabled and what Fiverr allows in these situations. If the information on this page does not fully solve your issue, keep scrolling down. At the bottom, you'll find the Contact Us option. Click on it. Depending on your account and region, Fiverr may give you access to live chat or a support form. This is where you can clearly explain your problem. When you contact Fiverr support, write your message calmly and honestly. Explain that your account is disabled and that you want to understand the reason. If you believe it was a mistake, mention that politely. If you made a mistake, acknowledge it and explain that you will follow Fiverr's rules in the future. Being respectful and clear is very important here. After submitting your request, you'll need to wait for Fiverr's response. They usually reply by email, so keep checking your inbox and spam folder. Response times can vary, and in some cases it may take a few business days. That's the correct way to deal with a disabled Fiverr account, and guide yourself through Fiverr's system instead of guessing or doing something that could make the situation worse. Before you go, one quick tip. If you often access Fiverr from public Wi-Fi or different networks, keeping your connection secure is important. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It helps protect your data and keeps your online activity private. You can try NordVPN at a great price by clicking the link in the description.